18 agro-exchange students from Israel are back in the country after witnessing firsthand the war between Israel and Palestinian militant group Hamas. Daniel Pawid with the report.
The city of Ashkelon in Israel is among those that suffered the most in the war between Hamas and Israeli forces. This is located near the Gaza Strip, which is the center of the conflict. Aside from overseas Filipino workers in Ashkelon, this group of agro-exchange students from Pampanga was also caught in the middle of the attacks. But on Tuesday, the 18 students were able to return safely to the Philippines. Though they are feeling relieved, the students admit that they were traumatized by strikes that they've witnessed in Ashkelon.
Nabigla po kasi kami na holiday po yun sa Israel. Then binigla po nila kami na bombahin tapos lumuso po yung mga terrorists. Kaya po medyo takot din po kami during that time. Dahil dun po sa gera medyo na-trauma po kami. Halos lahat po sa amin dito nakakarinig lang po ng sound is parang napaparaning na po kasi po dahil sa nangyari.
Matthew says he almost lost hope of ever seeing his family again. Matthew's family is from Arayat, Pampanga.
Actually po dumating po dun sa point na parang hinihintay na lang po namin na pasukin po nila kami kasi po yung mga terrorists po kalat na po malapit po actually dun sa area po namin kaya sobrang kabado na po kami that time.
Another student, Aldrin, recalled feeling that he was on the brink of death at a bomb shelter, afraid that members of Hamas will invade the shelter.
Talagang dinig po namin yung mga pagsabog and yung kita namin yung mga missiles na ayun, and hindi lang po yun, yung fear din ng terorista kasi pinapasok po talaga yung mga bahay para ayun, para pumatay ng mga tao doon sa Israel.
Pampanga PDRMO Chief Angie Blanco says they have put up a monitoring team for their kabalan left in Israel. Blanco said this was how they were able to locate the students. Pampanga is now conducting a post-war psychosocial intervention for the rescued students.
Pero yung problema, no, pwede tayong magbigay ng post-traumatic stress debriefing. Makikita mo naman sa mukha nila eh. Oo. Parang shock pa sila. Importante yon.
The LGU said they will also open up spots for the students to work as agriculture engineers in the province. Rainiel Pawid, We Are One News.